You want more? Okay, go ahead. Dig in.
This one.
Yes, be careful. It's very hot.
Okay.
Hello everyone. Hope all doing good today. Today I'm going to show you how to make goat heart, kidneys, and the most amazing, soft and tender goat liver. To remove smell from organ meat, cut the organ meat into pieces. Then add a teaspoonful of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, or a teaspoon of garlic paste. Give it a mix and wash the meat after 30 minutes. Drain the meat well, and this will be ready for cooking. We are going to marinate the heart and kidneys together and the liver separately. 1 tablespoonful of ginger garlic paste, a teaspoon of cumin powder, a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon or to taste red chili powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon of garam masala, salt to taste, quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder. We are going to give this a mix. We are going to use about quarter teaspoon of this marinade in the heart and kidneys, and rest of this in here in the liver. I'm going to start marinating this. Guys, we need a quarter cup of milk to soak this liver. So we're just going to add in the milk here and mix it. Please don't skip this step. It's going to make the liver very tender and soft. It won't be chewy, and this won't give you indigestion. So please don't skip this step. Marinate this for 30 minutes. And chopped 1 medium onion, 1 green chili, and coriander leaves. So let's go ahead and see what's next. Okay guys, I have got 2 tablespoons of oil heating up in my kadai. My cumin seeds, my onion, my coriander and green chili. I'm going to fry all this until the onions become light golden brown. Onions look good. I'm going to go ahead and add in only the heart and the kidneys and saute it. I am going to cook this until they become tender. Just a little bit of water, about 2 tablespoonfuls. Close the lid and cook for at least 15 minutes. Okay guys, let's see what's happening here.
Oh, it smells so good.
Yes, thank you. Okay, let me see if the heart. Yes, it's almost done guys. The heart is cooked.
I know
So
it
the
will
kidneys.
taste so good. It will taste like yummy in my tummy.
Okay, let's see, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and add in this liver, but make sure the flame is on high. The flame should be on high guys, very high. We're going to saute this. to the liver. We're going to cook this liver on dum for not more than 5 minutes. Make sure the flame is high. We're going to close the lid now. Just 5 minutes, guys. Okay, guys, this dish is ready to be served. I'm gonna switch off the flame. You can see the liver so tender. You can see the liver, it's very tender. Okay, let's serve this. Okay friends, goats, kidneys, heart and liver is ready to be served. Hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. Please like, subscribe and share. I'll see you back soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.